In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tables in Google Docs. This can be a useful technique when you want to consolidate information from multiple tables into a single, comprehensive layout. Let's dive right into this simple process that will help your document appear neat and organized. First, open your Google Docs document where you have your two separate tables. You might have created them for different sections of your document, but now deciding that having a single, unified table would better serve your current needs. Having a well-organized document is not just about visual appeal, but also about enhancing readability and efficiency. To begin, you need to add an extra row to the very end of the first table. Position your cursor on the last row where you want this new row to be added. Once you're there, simply click the Table menu at the top of your Google Docs interface. From there, choose the option to add a row below. This step sets the stage for effectively merging your tables. Remember, this new row will act as a bridge to accommodate the second table, so ensure there are no additional unneeded rows in between. Next, it's time to focus on your second table. Click on the small box or cell located at the top left of this table, holding down your mouse button as you drag across, highlighting the entire table from top to bottom. Once selected, right-click on the highlighted portion, and a context menu should appear. From this menu, select Cut. This action effectively removes the table from its original position, readying it for reallocation into the first table's newly added row. Now that the second table is on your clipboard, return to the first table. Locate the top cell of the new row you just added. This is where the second table will now reside. Click on this cell to select it. Navigate back to the Edit menu at the top of the screen and choose Paste, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+V or Command+5 if you are on a Mac. By pasting the second table here, you merge the content seamlessly into the original table structure. As a result, what was once two tables is now a single entity that preserves all your data in a streamlined way. And that's it! Your tables are now merged, giving your document a clean and organized look. Merging tables in Google Docs is a quick and efficient way to manage data without losing any content, formatting, or valuable information you've compiled. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to save your document, and don't be afraid to play around with table sizes and formats to fit your needs perfectly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.